Okay, in this part what we will be looking at is at the equation A equals Z plus N. A we know it's known as the atomic mass, Z is the atomic number, and X is the atomic symbol. The atomic mass is also equal to the proton amount plus the neutron amount. Given such an atom such as carbon, here we see carbon. Let me expand this out a little bit more. There we go, a little bit more bigger. Okay, so you can see from here that the element or the atom carbon from the diagram as it should be drawn with the shells and the nucleus inside. In the nucleus you can see that there are 6 protons and 6 neutrons. In the shells there is a total of electrons, 6 electrons. This gives the atom its neutral charge because the protons and the electrons cancel out with their charges. Now, the relationship of A is that we are going to add the protons and the neutrons to get the atomic mass. From the diagram, we can see that Z is equal to 6 protons, and A will be equal to 12 because we'll be adding the protons and the neutrons together. So given that concept, we're going to give a hypothetical element. Given an element or atom with the following information: 54 as atomic mass, 23 as an atomic number, and element X. We don't care what element it is just an element make believe. Okay, determine the atomic mass, atomic number, and neutron amount. So we give the information which we have been given. We have that the atomic mass is 54, the atomic number 23. So since A is equal to Z plus N, which is the atomic mass, is equal to the atomic number plus the neutron amount, where N is the neutron amount, then we can say that by rearranging using algebra, we get that N is equal to A minus Z. So N is equal to 54, take away 23, which will give us 33 neutrons. Therefore, we can say that the atomic mass is equal to 54, atomic number is equal to 23, and the neutron amount is equal to 31. And if you were asked also what is the amount of electrons here, given that the atom is neutral, if the atom or element is neutral in charge, then the amount of electrons must equal to the amount of protons. So electrons would then equal to 23 as well, given that it is neutral in charge.